I always look out for GOTS certifications. Is that a good certification to look out for? You are definitely doing the right thing and you have the right intention, but this is why GOTS isn't reliable anymore, because of the $25 billion fake organic cotton scam. And also, if you're buying GOTS certified clothing because you think it's chemical free, it's never chemical free anyway, since GOTS approves over 24,000 chemical products. So just a couple of years ago, the New York Times investigated the cotton industry and they found that non-organic cotton was indeed being sold as organic cotton. Now, remember, this is all coming at a time when all these brands are turning sustainable. So India is the largest producer of cotton, accounting for half of the global supply. But as the article says, much of this growth is fake. GOTS themselves have acknowledged the issue, admitting that they have uncovered systemic fraud and have substantial documentary evidence of fake organic cotton transaction certificates. The whole system for certifying organic cotton production in India relies on internal control systems. These are groups of farmers who are supposed to be growing organic cotton. But Congress in India have alleged that a major part of the fraud is that these farmers in this ICS system were not growing organic cotton and were not even aware that their names were in the system. So the fraudsters add these farmers' names into the system so that they can obtain transaction certificates, so that they can sell non-organic cotton as organic cotton for like 6 times the price. So you, the customer, are paying for a lie. And the farmers, an estimated 1.2 million farmers, are being exploited. Everybody who you expect to know about this open secret knows. For example, the USDA ended India's automatic recognition for organic certifications. Also, the EU has suspended some Indian certifiers as well. Obviously, the brands that sell GOTS certified clothing know about this. Unless they sell regenerative organic certified cotton, then they probably just hope that the clothing that they're selling is part of the non-exploited batch. Let's talk about chemicals. Where these sustainable brands are saying that their clothing is 100% chemical free, 100% pure, no nasties inside because they're GOTS certified, isn't true. It cannot be true. Not even GOTS make that promise. The GOTS certification doesn't mean zero chemicals at all. It means safer and lower impact ones according to their own published list. You're definitely doing the right thing by looking out for these certifications. GOTS sets a standard for sure, and they do reduce harmful chemicals, but GOTS can't guarantee that the clothing is organic because of the ongoing issue of fraud. GOTS also does not mean chemical free, as you can see yourself on their website. So if you're looking for that pure traceability and transparency, then you want to look out for regenerative organic certified cotton. That's the strictest and most traceable certification out there. I've added a whole list of brands that do that in the directory. You might also want to look out for biodegradable clothing that you can literally bury in the soil at its end of life. Traceability today is so murky that tech companies like Fibertrace are experimenting with blockchain DNA tracing that would track your cotton from farm to fabric, which would guarantee that you know exactly what's in your clothes, but that also means that tech has entered the chat.